Original Teardrop Beauty Makeup Blender Sponge in black. Take it with you on your daily travels and store in handy pouch bag and washable too. Great for everyone and all ages. You can use with liquid foundation powder, foundation, concealers, blushes, eyeshadows. How to use: can be used damp or dry. The bottom of the teardrop can be used on the cheeks or forehead. The top of the tip on the teardrop is suitable for the wing of nose and eyelids, etc. Wash lightly after use and place the Teardrop Beauty Makeup Blender in a cool, dry place. What you will receive: 1x Original Teardrop Beauty Makeup Blender in black, comes with handy pouch bag. Frank's deals 3 PCS Beauty Flawless Makeup Sponges Puff Blender. Makeup Blender beauty sponges are made from the highest quality materials could find. No expense was spared in the making, aswanted to provide the most superior makeup sponge could offer.